Hey, so today we're going to talk about a must-have in your camera kit. This is something I highly believe in. I heard it from somebody else and I just needed to pass it along. Is going to be this small rig magic arm with this super clamp. Now, some of you might know I do video walk-around tours of campers and sometimes some cars and things like that. So I work in a lot of really compact spaces. And this thing not only will it help me get those angles in the compact spaces, but it also can hold the weight of my cell phone and my cell phone gimbal, which is the Home M6. And this thing has saved me multiple times to be able to get those angles and things like that. And I just highly recommend it. If this is something that you're serious about in the filmmaking side of things, then I would click the link down below and definitely add something like this to your kit. That's all I have for today's video. I got another one probably going to be popping up here over the next couple of days, maybe another product video or another walk around tour. Got a couple of those coming, so I'll see you in the next one.